It's got the cleats on the good.
I'm sure.
This is only like 2 pieces, so I thought we were just gonna.
Yeah.
But since you got it out, that's really helpful.
A little bit of everything in here.
Okay, there's that hole.
Is that tight enough so it's not gonna move?
There's that hole.
All right.
And there's that hole.
Okay.
Okay. So there you go, you guys. You got a lot of catching up to do.
You can tell the difference in the color.
Well, it doesn't matter. You said 30. I'm giving you 30. So you've got 60.
Okay.
Okay.
Cause aside from my soul, there goes aside, now there goes aside from my soul, there goes aside from my soul, there goes aside, there goes aside, there goes aside from my soul. I think it's all just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my. There goes a sight. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul.
Okay, so we've run into a little issue here. In the center, some of them are a different size.
Magic
we at? How close to done are we?
Just over half a dozen or so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Woo! Everything's going very smoothly. We had to punch out some of the bolts, but not too many of them had to be punched out. The rest of them cut right out, fell right through.
We need all the plastic pieces for right here. Are they one?
They're around 5.
That's all.
Okay. This one's done. I'm gonna check back in with you guys at the finish. Middle. Wait. There you go. Okay. Okay, this one up here. I got some obstacles now. Good though. Hold on. Put the camera down. And we're trying to put them up on there. Trying to put them up in the snowbank for easy loading. All right. So you're trying to put them up there?
Yeah.
Huh.
I think that's a great spot.
Question is, how with the ramps?
That's a good idea.
All right.
It's very slippery. I also don't want to be behind it. Get some speed. Alright.
That was ridiculous.
Get behind it, more power on it. Good, huh? Pretty good too, huh? And something. Alright, let's move this up. There's one plus for having removable. Oh!
Bunch of crap.
Oh yeah. There's our project. Whew. A combined 30 hours of labor. Oh, it's all right there on top of that snow. I mean, more than that, plus what you and my dad did to make them. So there's 60 hours of labor in there. A lot of R&D. Damn. I'll have to speed that up for the camera. Yeah, the other one was a lot smoother.
That thing's a fucking beast.
Yeah, it is.
It's got the cleats on like the old Autocat track.